Hi, this is Dark Knight 780, and I'm going to show you how to build T-Rex. Let's start opening it up. Okay, so I've taken it out of the box and I'll start building it. First you'll take this piece and this piece, and you take two of these and stick it in the rib cage like that. So you stick it in through the hole in the body like that and open it up. The way to open it up is you press this rectangular button on the back of it and presto, it's open. So you put it in here in that hole, and then you take this piece, you stick it through here like that. So then you take his head again and you stick it on there. So you take his mask, his cool fanged mask, and you put it on like that. So you take two of these, right, and you put them on here and then there, like that. And you put this piece on here like that, and you take this and you put it on like you put it on the back where there's two other spaces like that, and then you put it to that place. So take this, you put it here, and you take it that piece again, put it here, and you take this, you put it here like that. Then you take another one and do the same what you just did, like that. And you take the feet, two of these, and put it on the bottom of the legs you just built. Okay. Like that. And you take, sorry about that, and you take this, or two of these, and you take two of these, you put it on like that, in here, then you put it on like this. You put the lowest hole there that's made for the swap. Okay, like that. Then you put this from the shield part facing out, and like this, like that. And you do the same to the other one, like that. And then you take another one of these, you put it on this hole here, right? That hole, and you put it in through there. Then you take his pelvis thing, I think it was, and then you take this, and you put it on here like that. And you take this and you stick it out like this. You move it here. Then you put this button on here. And then you put this one that you just made on his left hand. There. And you do the same with the other one. And guess that's about it. And that is how to build Sheetrox.